Hello friends, myself Animesh Sharkar. Welcome to our channel Electrical and Automation. We discuss about relay, how relay works, type of relay, advantage and disadvantage, application. Relay were invented in 1835 by American electromagnetism pioneer Joseph Henry. A relay may also called an electromagnetic switch. Relay consists of a coil of wire wrapped around a soft iron core and iron yoke. When an electric current is passes through the coil, it generates a magnetic field that activates the armature, and the consequent movement of the movable contact either makes or breaks depends upon construction. A common connection with a fixed contact. If the set of contact was closed when the relay was de-energized, the movement opens the contact and breaks the connection, vice versa if the contacts were open. When the current coil is switched off, the armature is returned by a force approximately half of as strong as the magnetic force to its relaxed position. There are many types of relay is used in different applications. We discuss mainly electromagnetic relay, solid state relays, microprocessor based relay, and pulse relay. Electromagnetic relay, it consists of an input coils that only are to accept a particular voltage signal. Pulse set of an or more contacts that relay on armature activated by the energized coil pin or closed electric circuit. Solid state relays. Solid state relay use semiconductor device to switch AC loads, known for its high reliability and fast switching speeds. SSR have no moving parts, are used in application where silent operation is needed. Microprocessor based relay use microprocessor for switching mechanism, commonly used in power system monitoring and protection system. Pulse relay. These relays are in safety circuit to ensure compliance with safety. The monitor safety functions such as emergency stop, safety doors. Advantages: relay have fast operation and fast reset. They can be used for both AC and DC system for protection of AC and DC equipments. No sparking between the contacts. Electric relay can switch many contacts at once. Disadvantage: relay. The contacts become worn, resulting limited lifespan. SSR can generate heat during operation, especially under loads, high loads. Proper heat dissipation measure need to be in place to prevent overheating. Relay application. Electromagnetic relay are used in protection of various AC and DC equipments. Relay used in automatic system and industries automation, home appliances, safety alarm system, and medical equipment also. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share, and comments.